espacio subí niveles, ando en las nubes. Una mojada y flores y dulces. Para las morras improvisamos. Y si la pienso pero se suben. Es que si soy una oveja negra, ando sin rumbo en la carretera. Traigo una cita para forjar.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Decided to start the video here, but just to talk to you guys about what's going to be going on later. We're going to be doing a little photo shoot and a little carnita asada, so the boys can pull up, because if not, they won't pull up. If there's no carne asada, they ain't pulling up. But if I tell them we're working or something, they ain't coming. But yeah, we're going to do that, get a little, I think the photographer's going to pull up later as well, too, so we could do a photo shoot with all the Weld wheels that we have. Well, all the trucks that have Weld wheels, pues. But yeah, pick up the vlog right now when we get to the headquarters, so you guys could see what trucks we're gonna choose. But yeah, just got another call that the Shelby Raptor is in the spray booth. In the spray booth already, yeah. So I'm not sure. We're not sure if it's just the cab or if they already have the.
I think it's just the cab. Yeah, you know, it's still a good process.
Yeah, it's still a long process. They still have to tack all the sides onto the bed, but we're gonna go check it out because it's in the spray booth already, so we can get some clips of it and see how they're doing with the bed.
We're gonna paint this, and all the parts are gonna paint it off the bed. Okay. So it's a full paint job. That complete. Ya pues no vamos a machar. Shit.
No van a alcanzar. Oh, we need the gas cap, eh? Yeah. Like a regular Raptor one. So yeah, guys, as you guys seen, they only had the cab in the spray booth because they're still working on the bed, but we showed you guys the bed. They already have it mocked up onto the original bed, so hopefully it's out in the next 2 weeks or less, maybe, hopefully. But right now we're getting the setup we're getting the setup ready for the photo shoot. We're about to get all the cars right. Ahí está. And then we gotta get the Shelby in the middle, the Ram. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get all the cars ready, see what's up, and then wait for the photographer. Yeah, let's go. Guys, as I was about to put the camera away for that last clip, I get this message. Oh damn. There's a TRX getting cut. Oh shit. But we're excited for that one too now. Hopefully that one's out in the next 2 weeks as well. So that means we're gonna be going to Texas. Finally in Texas part 2. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so they started shooting all the trucks. We got 6 trucks in total. We got my boy Alex, aka Yono Fui on Instagram. He pulled up with his OBS, 93 OBS, and he's on some welds as well, so he decided to bring it out. When is Broski gonna get on welds? I don't know. I think he got 500 likes, but he was cheating. What kind of welds do you want?
Some welds. I don't know what the fuck the names are, but
We got Weld Venturas up at the top. We got Weld Lagunas. We got S77s. We got Solanas. That's all I know. But yeah, like I was saying, guys, we have the 2013 Black Ram, the Alex's OBS with the Welds. But yeah, we have the Shelby Lightning White Ram OBS. This is what a real camera looks like, guys. Broski, what'd you just get? Replace your hat, what he said.
Yo pesco verdes.
Allah.
¿Pescas o no?
Shout out my boy. Look, show the.
Not this one.
Not that one. Show the black one. The black one.
Show him, look.
Sheesh.
Lo vino a dejar una, es el compa.
Shout out my boy. So what's the brand called?
Verified Caps, IG, TikTok, follow it, bro.
Shout out my boy.
Coming up.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate you, man.
Gotta show him some love back with the merch too.
Oh yeah, you know we out here. We out here.
That's right. Appreciate it, brother. I need one of those black ones.
This one,
Yeah.
Almost shutting down the whole block, guys. I think we might actually. We got the show. Oh, got you, fool. I forgot you beat.
got me, I can't say nothing about
What do you think about Broski's paint?
Was what?
Might as well get a new one. Yes, I've been telling you that since I met you.
What, paint?
Paint.
Paint?
A new bumper instead of fixing it.
Oh, yeah. He said he's been sending it. He's been sending it down for 2 weeks.
Just pay for the paint.
How long has he been sending on the bumper for?
Nah, it's been planning that for like 2 weeks. Remember? You know what I'm saying? Like he did you a deal, fool. Listen to the deal he just
I'm
said.
gonna get you the bumper, and you just pay the paint with the viejo. That would charge you $100.
Yeah,
That's a deal,
you
wait,
scratch his truck, he buys you a bumper, fool.
Serio?
Sick ass.
Scratch your trunk,
That's a
wait.
fat ass deal, güey.
Which one you want me to scratch?
Maybe at the dead end, maybe do a video or picture like this on how they are, like laddered, like so they could show the wheels, like 1, 2, 3. You know how they're like a ladder right now?
Yeah.
How's it going?
Buenas.
The front part of the car.
Yeah. Maybe put them closer, obviously. Like.
I guess I'm taking this one today. That one?
Alright, guys, so we got the Shelby up in the front, got the 2 OBSs, the 2 Rams, and the Lightning at the back. And then we got my boy recording us. OBS. Well, the Ram looking good out here. Apágala. Apágala. Yeah.
We want to get another take on that from this street.
Okay.
So same like we did, but when we come up to the stop, we're gonna wait at the stop and you guys go past us, yeah? Is that the idea?
Here? In this corner?
On this block.
Alright. Okay.
So ustedes ahorita se dan la vuelta, se van para allá y luego regresan.
Alright. What's up with these tocaches right here? Sheesh. Alright, guys, so 1 second. We're gonna redo the shot us coming down this street because I guess the swerving wasn't so good. So yeah, like I was saying, we redo the shots, we come back but in a straight line, and at the end we reveal all the trucks because they stop at the light they stop at the stop sign, and then we just come back. God damn, that shit don't got no turn radius. That honestly looked like a really good shot. How much gas do you have? How much diesel?
I don't know, bro.
It tells you. It's right there. The gauge is right there.
Look at this.
What is it at?
40 miles. Now we still have enough.
We're good. 40 miles means like pump now.
We're about to run out. About in 5 minutes.
Watch out. What do you think is the best option here?
He's like, I've been having my.
Look guys, this guy's ready to weld all our problems away. Sheesh. ASAP, get active. Sheesh. Crazy party, huh? Now yeah guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. We're gonna go do a little couple rollers with my boy 562 Graphics. They're the ones that do all our merch. So we call them because they do photography as well too. So if you guys need anything, follow them on Instagram, 562 Graphics. But yeah, make sure you guys enter the giveaway. It's still going on till August 28th, so don't forget that. Also, what else do we got going on? Oh, stay tuned for the builds that are coming out. They're coming out quick. All of them are already in process, more than 50%. So we're excited for the builds. But yeah,
Just join the giveaway.
Join the giveaway.
Oh, and keep it with the new Shelby shirts coming.
Oh yeah,
soon.
the new Shelby shirts are
Stay tuned for
dropping
those.
in the next week. I'm gonna post it on the website to take some pre-orders as well. Cause yeah. All right, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Share, like, comment, subscribe. See you later.